On our 5th episode, we are going to show you shoulder horizontal adduction. So grab your band and let's have fun. Shoulder horizontal adduction. This exercise strengthens the anterior deltoid, coracobrachialis, and pectoralis major muscles. Stand at a distance lateral from the wall where the resistance band is anchored at the shoulder level. Spread your feet for better base of support. Abduct your shoulder to 90 degrees. Extend your elbow and grab the band with your palm facing forward or in a thumbs up position. Pull the band towards the midline of your body. Isolate the needed movement by resisting the tendency to rotate the trunk or the tendency to bend the elbow. Work on your own range that is pain-free.